Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you a professional, clean, and highly controlled way to fix blurry photos in Adobe Photoshop using the famous high-pass sharpening technique combined with layer masking. If you have ever had a great shot that just lacked that final bit of crisp detail, this is the exact method pro photographers use to rescue their images. Before we dive into the technical steps, if this guide helps you improve your editing workflow, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. All right, let's get into Photoshop. The first step is to open your image. Once your photo is loaded, look at the Layers panel and duplicate your background layer. An easy shortcut for this is pressing Ctrl+J on your keyboard or Command+J on a Mac. This ensures your original image remains untouched while we do all our heavy lifting on this new duplicate. Now we want to isolate the structural details of the photo. Go up to the Image menu, select Adjustments, and then choose Black and White. By converting this layer to grayscale, we help the software focus strictly on the edges and texture rather than color data, which leads to much cleaner results without weird color fringing. Now for the magic. Head over to the Filter menu at the top, scroll down to Other, and select High Pass. This window will make your image look like a strange gray sketch, but don't worry. Adjust the radius slider until you see the fine edges of your subject appearing clearly against that gray background. Usually, a setting somewhere between 1 and 3 pixels is the sweet spot. When you are happy with the preview, click OK. Now look at your Layers panel again and find the drop-down menu that says Normal. Click it and change the blend mode to Linear Light. You will immediately see your image get significantly sharper. However, that sharpening is now applied to everything, including areas we might not want to sharpen, like smooth skin or backgrounds. This is why we use masking. Click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Your mask will appear as a white box, but press Ctrl+I or Command+I to invert that mask to black. This hides the entire layer, effectively turning off our sharpening effect. Now select your brush tool from the toolbar, set your foreground color to white, and make sure you have a soft edge brush selected. Zoom in and start painting over the specific areas you want to sharpen, such as the eyes, hair textures, clothing folds, or jewelry. Because you are painting on a black mask with a white brush, you are essentially revealing with sharp details exactly where you want them. This is the ultimate way to maintain natural skin textures while bringing out incredible clarity in your subject's features. Once you are finished, you can adjust the layer opacity if the sharpening feels too intense. And just like that, you have turned a blurry photo into a crisp, high-quality image. If this tutorial helped you sharpen your skills, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more weekly editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.